Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo. Et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 11e épisode du let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Donc dans l'épisode précédent on avait foutu un peu la merde dans les deux familles hein. On a travaillé pour les deux familles et on a foutu la merde dans les deux en même temps. Donc là je sais pas comment ça va se passer, mais on va aller voir Dutch pour lui faire un petit briefing je suppose de ce qui s'est passé.
Dang, fast as lightning.
Oh, did you miss me? That's nice.
No, precisely the opposite.
Arthur,
Even if I die, at least I won't have to see that Ford.
Arthur.
What now? You sweating yet, Dutch?
Of course I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie-whistling shithole.
I meant about what Trelawney said about these bounty
Well,
hunters.
not sweating as such, but maybe a little gentle perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating.
So?
So, I think you should pay Mr. Trelawney a visit and find out exactly what he knows and who he spoke to. Take Charles with you. Oh, the sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its secrets.
Okay.
Bon bah allez, hein, on va voir s'il nous trahit ce fou de Trelawney.
Charles, I need you for some business in town. Come on.
Okay. Where are we going?
Dutch wants us to have a talk with Trelawney about these bounty hunters who are coming for us. Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputies now.
Something like that. Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
On the run from one bunch of lawmen, working for another. Interesting.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch calls it.
So, spirits seem good. In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now. Ain't seen no more Pinkertons for a while. There's these bounty hunters, of course, but Dutch don't seem too worried about it.
Can't believe they're still coming after us. We didn't even get away with the money.
Whoa, whoa! Reckon it's that one with the fire outside.
Let's take a look. Someone got here first.
Utiliser l'œil de dingue. Ah ça, j'avais oublié que j'avais ce truc. Waouh, c'est vrai. J'avais oublié ce petit détail.
Social call.
Check the house. This food's barely touched. Looks like he left in a hurry.
Found anything?
Ok.
Bed's not made, so he must have been here recently.
You see anything there?
Ouf, ça c'est pas bon signe par contre.
There's some blood here. That ain't good.
Du sang, du sang, du sang. Pas dans le guéridon.
Big struggle. Pretty
Petit
recently,
médicament.
I'd say.
Je prends.
Maybe 12 hours ago?
But no body?
Not yet.
to go, boy?
They went
Ah, ok, par là, parfait.
path here. Tracking these days.
All right, I guess.
Well, lead the way then.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trelawney staying in.
No?
Normally scams himself into the best hotel in town.
You know, when me and Javier went down with Trelawney to get Sean, after the bar fight, I swear, he talked the whole way and never actually said a damn thing.
I thought you knew. That's his special talent. They could be 20 miles away by now.
We can track them that far if we need to.
Tiens, c'est qui
Depends
ces
on how much
mecs?
you wanna find them. What are you getting off for?
Excuse me. Yeah. Have you seen we're looking for a friend.
I don't think he's here.
You seen a strange sort of feller? Sort
Alors,
of
je reconnais facilement les mythos rien qu'avec leur gueule. Et là, je peux vous confirmer qu'il y a une gueule de gros mytho, le mec.
Formal? Nah.
Regardez ça quand même.
Uses a cane.
Avec ses roues flaquettes et tout.
Like this one.
Ouais, gars, venez, on règle ça au point alors.
Where the hell is he? You both better get out of here. Come here.
Oh, il m'a fait voler mon chapeau. Vous savez que j'aime pas quand on me fait voler mon chapeau. Je déteste.
You stay there.
Mon chapeau. Il m'a fait bugger, il fait plus le récupérer. Ah si, c'est bon.
Where is Trelawney?
I don't know anything.
Tell me where he is.
You go to hell.
You better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
J'ai envie d'y aller au point, j'ai la flemme de faire les questions question par question, ça va plus vite.
They took him to a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left down the path there by Braithwaite Manor.
Let me see you again, you hear me?
You got lucky there, my friend.
Come on, let's go.
Follow me. I think there's a way around so we don't have to go through the Braithwaite's place.
Ah, c'est vrai que j'ai pas envie d'aller les revoir eux aussi.
I've spent enough time there. After you, then.
You okay?
I'm good.
What do you think they want with Trelawney?
Could be any one of 100 things. Just depends if any of them involve us.
You think he'll talk?
Of course he'll talk. He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare. He don't know how not to talk. He don't know where we're holed up, though. At least I don't think he does.
I don't know why Dutch still deals with him. Always disappearing for weeks on end.
He's got his uses, and, well, loyalty matters to Dutch.
Of course. But is Trelawney loyal?
Kind of. I guess Trelawney ain't exactly disloyal. Just got a big mouth. Don't worry. If he talked, I'll goddamn find out what he said. What are you doing? Nothing's ever straightforward where Trelawney's involved. Learned that much.
I mean, how much time have we wasted getting this fool out of trouble?
He somehow manages to be both lucky and unlucky at the same time.
That's one way of looking at it.
But he always finds some way to pay us back. Just when we think about cutting him loose, he brings us something big. I guess that's his special talent, keeping fish on the line.
Ok, on est au champ de maïs. mais il y a le manoir Braithwaite juste à côté en fait.
That must be it.
Il y a un feu, ok. Ça semble récent.
Get you out of here.
Oh merde.
After that shack, this will be remembered like a good time.
Put the man down, gentlemen.
Le cheval qui passe devant, ça gâche toute la cinématique et l'immersion.
A lot of them.
I think so.
So you're alive.
Allegedly.
Don't worry, they won't be for much
Look,
longer.
go get them, Arthur. I can handle this.
Allez, là, venez. Les gars, j'ai pas envie de jouer à cache-cache, hein, donc.
Damn, let's get after those sons of bitches.
Oui, j'ai même pas la visée automatique. Quoi. Le cheat code n'est pas là.
They're gonna get away. Let's find them. I will find you, bastards.
Là. Putain, mais il y avait un truc là.
We need to find these bastards. God damn these sons of bitches.
Là. Touché.
Come on, man.
Je t'ai trouvé. Voilà, ça en fait déjà un mois.
Come on, where are they?
Je vais les faire au coup de lancer les autres.
Stop hiding, you cowards. Come on, you cowards. Get the hell out of here while you still can.
Did you see those birds?
Là. Ouh.
We got one more, Charles.
Look at the birds. Go that way.
Oh putain, c'est un épouvantail. Oh, j'ai eu trop peur. Avec une tête de citrouille. Oh, magnifique. En vrai, il est stylé, hein. Bon, le dernier il veut pas se montrer, hein.
Hey! I see something on the ground over here. He's dumped his gear. Look around. He can't have gone
Ah,
far.
ok. Waouh.
He's mine! Let me take him. You get out of here.
You have my friend.
He's not your friend. I'll give you money.
Be quiet.
Oh là là, GG.
Come on.
You should have taken the money.
I know. I'm a fool.
Je jure qu'il a l'argent sur lui dans tous les cas. Ouais, c'est des mecs qui sont pas mal de thunes dans. Oh, ils ont 27 $. Eh. Il y a 27 $. Oh putain.
The gunshots are coming from that barn.
This should be the last of them.
Oh, il y a un truc.
All right, let's go back for Trelawney. You all
Oh, le
right?
fuzzy rolling block rare. Ça, c'est bon, ça.
Never goes easy, does it?
Sure don't. Come
En
on,
rare.
let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
Les mecs, ils ont 20$ chacun.
He's brought with him.
C'est n'importe quoi, ils ont tous 20$ sur eux.
Soon find out.
Regardez.
Seems like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Je me suis déjà fait 60$ en fouillant que
We got
3.
out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty hunters to us?
I hope you're right.
30$ lui. J'aurais dû les fouiller bien avant. J'aurais raté tout ça en argent à prendre.
Mr. Trelawney, where are you?
Over here, dear boy.
Oh ouais, je me suis fait plus de 100$ rien qu'avec eux quoi.
Well, he's still here at least. Put your feet up, why don't you? You okay?
Never finer.
So, who was they?
They were bounty hunters. Attached to Cole Stoudemire.
Okay.
They weren't looking for me, per se.
What you tell him?
Not much. I told them I was an intellectual. Come down here from Oregon, looking for a job at the university. Of course, they didn't believe me. Seems you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Blackwater.
So I keep hearing.
It might be best if I stay with you, gentlemen, for a while. Can't go back to that caravan now.
All right, Charles. You take Trelawney back to camp. I'll catch up with you.
Okay.
There always seems to be more and more civilization. I want to get back in the open country of the West, or what's left of it, but well, even that ain't the way I remember it.
Parfait, la traque du magicien, terminée. Et bah justement, en plus maintenant, on a une mission avec Gyoza Trelawney. Allez, on va repartir l'aider, mais avant je vais m'acheter des munitions à l'armurerie. Ça tombe bien, on est en ville.
Last time was bad enough. Just got it all out of your system.
Le truc de standard là, parce que là, haute vélocité ça va bien quand même. Y'a quoi là? Balle pour fusil standard s'il te plaît. À droite, pour fusil petit gibier, ouais, je m'en fous, j'ai pas. Tiens, des plombs pour fusil à pompe.
You're gonna buy something, right? Thank you.
How are you, boy? Yeah. Now, come on.
Oh putain. Et on peut plus être tranquille dans ce jeu, bordel de merde. Wow, mais ils aiment bien me faire dans des embuscades ici à ce putain de carrefour de merde. J'ai plus de vie les gars, je sais même pas si je vais m'en sortir là. J'ai fait start. Ok. Cache-toi. Ah, ils sont tous morts. Ils sont tous morts. Putain, j'ai l'impression qu'il y en avait une quinzaine. Et voilà. Ils ont cherché la mort, ils ont cherché la merde, bah ils l'ont eu là, clairement. Oh là là, avec... Faut pas plaisanter avec moi. Hein. Ça fait longtemps d'ailleurs que je suis pas mort dans le jeu. Est-ce que là, je suis mort depuis que j'ai commencé le jeu ou pas? Depuis que j'ai commencé le let's play, je me demande si je suis mort ou pas. Là j'étais à 5, j'avais tenu bien un bon petit moment avant de mourir. Et Red Dead Redemption 2, je sais pas.
Well, I know you think I'm just some effete buffoon.
What?
A man of words and not of action. Hardly a man at all.
Well, I think you're as slippery as an eel in an oil slick, but still a man.
Because I think I found something interesting.
Yeah?
Have you ever robbed a stagecoach?
No, never. Well, who would have even thought? Of course I robbed a goddamn stagecoach. You know I have.
And what's the problem with stagecoaches?
The armed man attempting to put a bullet in your head?
Not quite. The odds. I mean, is it worth the robbing?
Sometimes.
I know. But, well, if you'd like to come with me, I can introduce you to a new best friend, and he's going to give you all the decent, robbable stagecoaches a hot-blooded degenerate could require.
Well, I could require a whole lot.
Bon allez, on va voir si c'est un bon plan ça, sa diligence.
So where do we find this friend of yours?
Roads.
Because what can possibly go wrong there?
Well, lead the way and we'll find out.
You sure seem to have got about around here.
You know me. I like to make friends in low places.
How the hell you end up down here anyway?
I could ask the same of you. I have a few commitments over this way. Some expenses to meet.
Expenses? What expenses? Gentlemen's canes and rabbits to pull out of hats?
Among other things, mining company. Excellent returns for the investor of a certain financial standing. Until, well, that unfortunate run-in with the law.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Thanks for disappearing on us during that Sean business, by the way.
I've done my part. Each to their strengths, dear boy. You know,
Ah, la petite caméra sur le côté, on s'est... On se serait cru sur GTA 4. D'ailleurs GTA 4 faudrait que je fasse peut-être en let's play. Hein. Avant qu'il atteigne vraiment le seuil de vieillissement trop élevé. Bon, GTA 4 c'est un jeu éternel. Hein. Je joue même très bien encore, même 17 ans après sa sortie. Hein. Ah ouais, c'est vrai. Oh, ah ouais, c'est vrai qu'à la fin du mois, il va avoir 17 ans le jeu. Putain. Donc dans encore un an, il sera majeur GTA 4.
hang back a bit and let me do the talking. We don't want to scare him off. Hello, Alden.
Hello, Josiah. How have you been?
Dandy. And you, friend?
Like I said, times are tough. My missus is a bad woman. Terrible woman.
They often are. How's work, Alden?
Terrible. Wages got cut again. They reckon they just invented a new horseless carriage will be the end of us.
They've been saying that nonsense since they invented the wheel. The wickedness of bosses.
I know. My comrades here and I are greatly discouraged from the adequate fulfillment of our duty.
A discouraged man is no man at all, Alden. No man at all. My friend Arthur here has a present for you.
Allez. On va te payer, mec.
Ain't you kind, sir?
Call him Arthur. He's one of us, a fellow man of distinction.
Okay. Well, this is perfect timing. I think you'll like this one, Josiah. It'll be coming south down the river road through Siltwater Strand.
Thank you, Alden. Thank you very much.
Oh, and Josiah, if you or Arthur are ever out Strawberry Way, ask for my colleague there, a feller called Hector. He's also one of the, what did you call us again?
Discouraged men, Alden.
That's it, discouraged men. I like that.
Well, goodbye, Alden, or should I say, adieu.
Oh, adieu, Josiah.
Alors. Ok, objet de valeur dans le coffre, d'accord.
What the hell was that?
I thought you might like to see that pantomime.
River Road through Siltwater Strand, he said.
Okay, I think I know a good spot to wait. Follow me. Okay, let's go. This way. Hey!
Oh là là, comment c'est beau quand même.
What did I tell you? Simple as can be. Seems a lot of the station workers are in on it these days. Earning a pittance, the unions are whipping them up, so they want something on the side. Like he said, there, Strawberry. Could create a lot of opportunities for a man in your line of work.
I ain't sure about going back to Strawberry after all that Micah business.
Didn't sound like you left anyone alive to recognize you, so I wouldn't worry too much, dear boy. All this trouble. You gentlemen are becoming quite the celebrities, aren't you? Soon you'll be on the front of a dime novel. And dead, of course.
We're hoping to be long gone before that. Dutch has a plan.
Here we are. This is the spot. Okay. This should do.
Sure. Here.
I'm hoping we won't need those.
Better safe than sorry. So what were you thinking?
Well, according to this, the loot is located in a strongbox, which is in the back. I'll put on a little performance, and you can scurry around, open the strongbox, and relieve them of their goodies.
And how do I open the strong box without threatening someone to open it for me?
This should work.
And I can do this silently?
Me dis pas que c'est le fameux passe-partout que j'ai acheté qu'on obtient gratuitement dans le jeu quand même.
But you're going to wish you had your earplugs. This is Damson. Oh, very good, Alden, very good. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can wave your guns around like you normally do. Hold tight. They'll be here soon.
Oh, la musique.
There it is. Right on time. Let's go. Keep your distance so they don't see you. And please leave that gun in its holster for once.
Yeah. Okay there. Yep.
Allez, la distiller.
Not at all.
I'm preparing for a show.
It's a free country.
Oh,
Did you say a show?
It's a small benefit to build an opera in Blackwater. Just
Mrs. Chester Damson.
I flatter, but
Stop the coach, my good man! Stop the coach!
Putain, mais il est juste là, ce con, mais prends tes distances un peu.
Audience.
Je suis tellement pas discret, regardez.
New Yorkers are prigs and fools who believe Westerners don't know anything about culture.
I couldn't agree more.
Could you? It's such a small show, but would you sing something for me? I'm looking for a mezzo soprano.
I don't know.
Miss Damson, you owe it to West Elizabeth.
Ouais, maintenant on peut fouiller le coffre-fort. En toute discrétion. Oh, comment je me faufile, les gars. T'es un ninja. Y'a combien là?
Might I have your card? The event is on the 23rd of this month. I can't say enough. Mrs. Damson, magnifico. So sorry, gentlemen, for the interruption. Farewell. Nicely done, Arthur. A little finesse for once. Well done, sir. Well done.
It was easy. You did all the work.
Teamwork, my dear boy. Teamwork.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, jolly good. Go see Alden from time to time. See you soon, Arthur.
Oh oui, il y avait 750 $. Ouais, très bon ça. Bon, je vais nettoyer mes revolvers. D'abord. Ils perdaient en dégâts et en efficacité. Est-ce qu'il y avait une autre arme que je voulais nettoyer? Ouais, la Lancaster, faut que je la nettoie absolument. Parfait. Le relais bloc, il doit être... De toute façon, je m'en fous, non, j'ai le relais bloc rare qui est bien mieux. Hein. Allez, on va aller voir Bill au camp. Ça fait un petit moment que je garde cette mission parce que cette mission qu'on va faire avec Bill, je l'adore. C'est pour moi l'une des meilleures missions du jeu. Et laissez les prisonniers tranquilles. J'ai fait ça pour le prisonnier, les gars. On a ce qu'on mérite. Comme dirait Arthur.
Hey, Arthur!
What is it?
We got something cooking you might be interested in.
Am I gonna like the sound of this?
Been cooking since Horseshoe, but you went and kicked up all that commotion in Valentine. Now, we was preparing to rob the bank there until you got involved in all that nonsense, and I don't know, I just feel like it's unfinished business.
That wasn't my fault. It was just one of them things.
How come every time I get in trouble, I'm called a fool and an idiot? But when you get in trouble, oh, it's just one of them things.
It's a good point, Arthur.
A very good point.
All right, well, what do y'all want me to do?
Hit the goddamn bank with us.
You really think it's worth going back there?
4 of us can hit the bank easy, but I ain't gonna lie to you. There will be law if we linger.
And if we're serious?
No, just local boys being rounded up and pressed into action.
Meaning?
If we go in quick and quiet, we can hit it just fine. If there's 4 of us, I mean.
Y'all think it's worth the risk?
It's a bank, Arthur.
So? Is the take good?
According to the fella I met, yes. It's the end of the stock sales. Plenty of money and plenty of people milling about.
All right, I suppose it's worth taking a look at least.
We should wait until the morning. In any case, I need to change out of these rags if I'm gonna be performing.
Okay. So, Bill, this better be worth it.
Oh, it is. We put a lot of research into this one.
I hope so. All right. Let's go.
Mr. Morgan.
Herr Strauss?
That man. The debtor, Thomas Downs, apparently he's dead.
Dead? Huh. Well, he didn't seem very well.
His wife. I believe he has a wife and child. She will assume the debt, of course.
Of course.
Then you can head up there and collect. We lent them a lot of money.
Okay.
Gentlemen, let's go rob ourselves a bank.
What's the plan, then?
Oh, we're gonna send Karen on in ahead as a distraction. Then we're just gonna rush on in afterwards. Just a small bank in a little town. Nothing that big in way of security. We just need to bring you along as a insurance policy.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay, let's move out.
Allez.
Whoa!
Prendre un fusil à pompe. Et le double et le rolling block rare. Une carabine, non, une carabine en caster. Ça fera très bien l'affaire.
Oh, it can go wrong. Anything can, once the shooting starts.
Well, that's reassuring.
Like I said, we'll see how it looks. If we can get in all right, we'll send Miss Jones ahead to the bank. They won't recognize her.
I'll show you boys how it's done.
What are you thinking this time?
I don't know. Fellers always liked the lost little girl, but nobody plays a drunken harlot quite like me. Either should work.
Once she's got them distracted, we'll move in.
When I was scouting the place the other day, there was only a couple of guards.
We deal with them and any customers who are feeling brave. And you always fancy yourself as the Vault Man, right, Arthur?
Now I see why you brought me.
Hey, I'm more than willing.
Nah, best I do it.
Oh, and did Dutch tell you I've also been cooking up some deals with them Gray Boys?
What? No. What kind of deals?
See, you don't realize, Morgan. I'm out there putting in the work same as you. I've been drinking with them a couple times now. for some extra security.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
Could be something in it for us.
Well, just be smart about it. You got a lot of irons in that fire right now.
Yes, I know, Morgan.
Can't believe you got me going back to Valentine.
Parce qu'il faut savoir qu'on est traqué partout à Valentine.
Not really.
Work a town and not hit the bank? That's downright pathetic.
I guess we went a bit beyond working it. We shot the place to hell.
You did, Morgan. Not me. I played it cool up there. Couple of punch-ups, dealt with some O'Driscolls.
Ah, is that right?
Like I said, you mess up, it's just one of them things. I mess up, I'm the prize idiot.
Well, Bill, I don't know what to tell you.
Surprised you ain't already ripped me about that dynamite again. One mistake, and I'll never live it down.
What do you need? Pat on the back? A medal?
Just know, I got the lead on this one.
Ah bah franchement si Bill mène, c'est ce qui m'inquiète le plus en vrai. Hein.
So, how are you feeling about this, Lenny?
Well, at first I thought it was a bad idea. But then I figured they all are if you think about them long enough.
Certainly have been recently.
I mean, why the hell not? Roll with it. I just told him we needed you along.
I appreciate the confidence, kid.
And if we didn't rob this bank, we really would be slipping.
Thoughts like that, and you're one of us, no doubt.
Sure hope so.
All right. Guess we're doing this then. Glad you and Lenny are along for this, Karen.
Someone's gotta keep you boys out of trouble. I ain't sure even Lenny can be relied on to keep his head. Not after that night you two had in Valentine.
Yeah, I've been trying to forget that.
La fameuse nuit.
What little I remember of it.
You've always been a bad drunk. And before you say it, I know. Takes one to know one.
Guess we'll never learn.
And Bill ain't much better. So should we stop for some whiskey?
How about we wait till after the bank, all right? So, thinking this through. We rob Cornwall's train. We shoot a heap of his men in Valentine. We rob his stagecoach.
This is just dawning on you now.
And now, we're going back to the one place he knew where to find us.
That's the genius of it. Folk never look at what's right under their nose.
I ain't sure that's always true.
What's happened to you? You're getting real nervy in your old age.
The last few weeks happened.
Forget about Cornwall. He can't have many men left at this point. Got a bit hairy in that barn, but we all walked away fine from that.
That'll have to wait. We're here. Let's take it nice and easy.
Ha! Whoa! Ha!
Good morning.
Howdy. Okay, let's leave the horses here off the main drag.
All right, gentlemen, here we are.
Okay, get ready.
Ouais, fais pas par contre de fusil, pour moi c'est pas grave. On va y aller au double revolver alors. C'est plus charismatique. Bien plus charismatique.
All right, keep it cool and follow me, fellers. So, we never decided. Is it lost little girl you want, or the drunken harlot?
Alors... Demoiselle perdue ou la catin?
Of course, you know I like.
J'attire plus l'attention la catin.
You're the only one. You're a bunch of filthy sinners and the heartbreakers, the lot of ya. Now where is he?
If you're ready, get going.
Good luck, gentlemen.
We got this.
Where is he? Where is he? Have you seen him? I'm not leaving till I find him, boyo.
You're a disgrace to your sex.
Okay, we're going.
No, hold on.
You don't know
Wait till
me.
she's gotten real down.
Stuck up in here. Not so goddamn stuck up last night. Son, just between us.
I've never seen this woman in my life.
Get your goddamn hands up! This is a goddamn free!
Nobody move! No word up! Nobody move!
What are you
Don't
doing?
make us hurt you!
Well, I thought you were getting the money.
Here! Unlock the door!
Okay, the door's unlocked.
Allez, montre-moi le coffre, ça. Wouh.
Open the goddamn vault! Open it!
Plus vite. Moi j'ai pas de temps à perdre. Je dis plus vite.
Don't make me hurt you. Hurry up!
I'm going as fast as I can.
I'm in! Someone
Wow.
come make sure the chute behaves himself in here.
Come here.
Alors,
Open the lockboxes now.
The manager does that.
God damn it.
mais c'est pas le directeur lui. Mais t'es un putain de guignol toi.
Attack them or blow them up. Keep an eye out.
On va les faire forcer ou exploser. On va les faire sauter. Ce sera plus rapide.
We gotta move before they blow. The law will be all over us. Now you shut the hell up and be still.
Parce que les ouvrir un par un, on est... Je pense que le temps qu'on va mettre, on se sera déjà fait... On sera déjà encerclé, donc... autant se faire repérer, mais ouvrir les coffres rapidement, que de se faire cerner beaucoup avant qu'on ait même pas pris l'argent, donc... c'est voilà quoi... En plus des explosifs quoi. Je peux pas dire, mais voilà quoi.
I don't know. Not much. This is taking too long.
Allez, explose. Alors combien il y a d'argent? Oh putain, 3250 $, rien que dans le premier coffre. 4000 $.
Going as fast as I can.
Et 1750, ah ça descend.
That's another one cleared. This is looking good.
How much longer?
Nearly there.
Okay, you
5000. Waouh.
Maybe. It's never enough.
well. I am ready to get the hell out of here whenever you
2 fois 5000. Oh. Waouh, on est riche.
Sorry, partner. Shit. Hurry up.
I heard. Go on. I said come out now.
Oh bah on va sortir de la banque, mais t'inquiète pas que ça va...
If the shooting starts, you're all dead.
I'll go. Follow me.
What are you, insane?
Probably. Don't shoot! Don't shoot him! I made a terrible mistake.
Get out of there, miss.
Sorry.
On va mettre un bon coup de sang-froid là.
We're shooting our way out of here, boys!
Let's move.
Vite, montez. Oh, le carnage.
Now let's get the hell out of this goddamn town! They're still coming! You see any more of them? Look out!
Oh.
There's more of them! God damn it, there's more of them! Come on, get across! Gotta beat that train, Morgan!
Parfait, le train qui nous sauve. Et le mec il rage quitte.
Alright. I think we lost him.
Thank you, gentlemen. That was...
Stupid and dangerous. Thank you, Bill.
We're alive and we're paid. I don't see the problem.
Yeah, and that is the problem. Still, this
you.
is a very good take. That you'll be happy, even if it did come with a heap of trouble.
Ah, it was fun.
Well, maybe you're right. Now, go on, get out of here. I have some other business to attend to. Don't head directly back to camp, and make sure you ain't followed. Okay. Yep, this is Downs.
Allez, maintenant on va aller retourner au ranch des Downs parce que le Barry, à ce qui paraît, il est mort. Le mec qui nous devait une dette et tout. Il était malade. On se souvient, la dernière fois, on l'avait un peu malmené quand on était allé le voir. Et là, j'aimerais bien avoir l'argent en fait de la dette.
My husband's not cold in the ground, and you've come back here. Archie, I nearly paid off what was owed.
Your husband knew the rules when he took that money. Now, I'm real sorry about the way things turned out, but he had a choice. Ain't my fault about the way the world is.
He didn't have a choice. He was good, and he did good. There wasn't no choice in that. And you've as good as killed him yourself, and don't kid yourself.
You had a choice.
You speak as if killing were something I cared about.
You ever wonder about eternity? You should.
I hope it's hot and terrible, Mrs. Downs. Otherwise, I'll feel I've been sold a false bill of goods. Now, please, give me that money. Either you got a lazy eye or lack of respect. Which is it, boy?
I ain't got no lazy eye. No respect for the likes of you.
Well, maybe when your mother's finished mourning your father, I'll keep her in black on your behalf. You think on that, boy?
Well, maybe you shall, sir. And maybe other events will transpire.
You best stick to them books, because mark my words on this. Vengeance is an idiot's game. Ah, Mrs. Downs, thank you for your punctuality. It's next to godliness, isn't it?
That's cleanliness.
I'll have to take your word on that. Good day.
$20 000 au total, il y avait 2500 $ j'ai gagné. Bon bah les gars, on est riches hein. 3962 $ sur moi. Oh bah là on s'est mis bien. Bon les gars, on va s'arrêter là pour ce 11e ou 12e épisode, je sais pas, j'ai un doute, mais on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.